Hello Stampers, Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Today I think I have a really cool tip to show you. I'm super excited about this because as I was making swap cards, 'tis the season for Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, right? We have all this new product we're getting our hands on. And that's when we start doing swap cards. So today for my Wait What tip of the week, I'm going to show you some little templates that I came up with that made my life so much easier. So the swap cards that I'm making have little banners on them. And we have the triple banner punch, which I absolutely love. And it will do a 1-inch banner, a 1.5-inch banner, and a 2-inch banner. That's the triple part of it here. And it's got the guides that keep your cardstock straight as you push it in to punch out a banner. Well, what happens when you need something that's less than 2 inches but not 1.5, and less than 1.5 but not 1, or maybe less than 1? What do you do? Well, you can take your scissors and cut a banner. I've showed you that a gazillion times. But I love this punch because it gets your banner end straight and perfect every time. And when I'm working on swap cards, making a bunch of the same card, I don't want to putz around with my scissors and cutting a gazillion banners, right? So, super excited. This is what I came up with. I have a 1/2-inch piece of So Saffron cardstock here, and I needed banners on both ends. So I needed the ends to be punched with the banner punch. Well, you can take it and you can try to center it in the middle of the track here, and you can look at it back here, and sometimes you're going to get it perfect and a lot of times you're not, and that makes me crazy. So what I did was I came up with a template. I've got a piece of cardstock here that is 1 inch, and that's going to fit perfectly into this little track. And then I decided if I could figure out how to keep this right in the middle, I would be in business. So I took 1/4-inch pieces and I glued them to both sides here. So let me show you. As soon as I am done with this video, I am going to continue on making my swap cards with this template that I made. So I'm just going to glue this to the outside edge, and then, where'd that other one go? Did you guys see that other one? Where did it go? Oh, here it is. I hate it when things get away from me. Glue this on here. Hang on, I got a little glue booger. That's just a gross word, isn't it? It is. Okay, so here we go. I've got this on here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it all the way into my triple banner punch and just punch it out and get rid of that. So now this is what I have. And then I can take this whole stack of banners that I need to make What a nifty idea, right? Okay, let's move these off to the side. I also wanted a template for a 3/4 inch banner. And so I took a piece of 1.5-inch cardstock, 1.5 inches this way. And these are like 4.5 inches long, just as long as they're long enough. And I glued these both in place. I did the same thing. Now these side pieces are 3/8 of an inch. So this is going to fit in the 1.5-inch guide, and it's going to make banner ends for me that are 3/4 of an inch wide. And I'm just going to set this down in here. I guess I could have made it quite a bit shorter, okay? But here comes our 3/4 inch wide piece, and you're just gonna lay that again right down in the middle, slide it in, and you're gonna get that centered every time. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, you guys. I hope this little tip was helpful for you. I know that I was super excited to now have a template to be able to quickly punch out all these banners that I need. I'm pretty happy about that. And I'm going to just keep this in my drawer. And I took in on the back, oops, I wrote in on here that this is for the 1/2 inch guide and this is for the 3/4 inch guide. And I'm going to keep these in my drawer to use in the future. So do you want to see the card that I'm making? These are my pieces here. I'm using Blackberry Bliss. And this is a 1 inch piece. And I'm gluing that right on my card front. Oh, and do you love this designer series paper? This is the Share What You Love designer series paper. It's brand new. This is actually coming out on May 1st in a bundle that's going to be available to you. I'm very excited about it. I've been working hard trying to come up with some great card samples to share with you. It's been a lot of fun and a very easy stamp set for me to use. This is where I needed the template. I'm just going to bring this in here and punch out the ends. Perfect every time. I love this. This is like an aha moment for me. I was pretty excited, as you can well tell, right? Okay, I've got a little triple bow that I made out of white baker's twine. And I'm putting a mini glue dot down here. Before I glue this on, I like to curl the ends of my baker's twine. I know I've shown you this before, but if you're new, you may not know this. Just like you're curling ribbon, and look at how fun, well, that one I just straightened out again. Hang on. Look at how fun that is, that they curl up like that. I really like that look. And last but not least, look at these Share What You Love artisan pearls. They are so pretty. They come in our new in colors. Love, love, love them. I'm just going to put a pink one right there on the eye. Whoops. Hang on, I had a couple more come off of my hand. There we go. What do you think? Quick and easy card to make. I love the designer series paper on the back of this. I hope you will make your own templates and whatever size you need so that when you make cards in the future, this is going to be so simple to punch out all these banners. All right, I need to get back to work and get these finished. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. If you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to earn your business. You can pop me an email at kelly@astampabove.com and I can send you the catalogs. You're going to find my blog at astampabove.com. Click right up here and it will take you right to my blog where you'll find all the information on this, and I'll write down the measurements for the 2 templates that I made. And once again, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to share a little bit of it with me. Bye-bye.